Hey Rebels, welcome to the July video. I'm going to show you how to make really fun and easy Halloween ephemera folders. So I'll put all the measurements and stuff below in the video description as well as in the blog post for this project on Patreon. So basically it's really simple. You just fold the sized paper in half and then fold the bottom half, fold it up, add some glue, bing bang, done. It's really simple. So I hope you all saw my important news and announcement blog post. If not, I'll link it below in the video as well. You guys have to check it out. There's a lot of information there. But just to say that I'm going to be doing Halloween videos from now until October for the Patreon exclusive videos. However, I won't be able to do a Halloween series this year. Really heartbroken about it, but at the same time, I'm kind of looking forward to it. I briefly talked about this in the blog post, but I'll go into it a little bit longer here. I think I'm really excited to just enjoy October this month for myself and really take it one day at a time, make it last a little longer, and just have time for myself to settle in my new place. Yep, you heard that right. Go read the blog post. I'm telling you, there's all kinds of information there. And just to fall in love with October again, because I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, but it's getting really super popular in the crafty community now, and I don't want it to be oversaturated, if that makes sense. Like, I'm just kind of fed up of everything. I don't know if that makes any sense, but if you guys understand, leave a comment below. I just kind of want to rediscover Halloween for myself and just enjoy the season on my own. If I want to craft or do any kind of projects, then I'll do it for myself and for swaps that I'm in or stuff like that. Like, I hope you guys can understand. It would have been the 8th year that I did a Halloween series. So yeah, there's just a lot going on all at the same time. My moving, and I just don't have time to film and video and all the things and edit, and you guys get it. So hopefully you understand. The plans that I had for October and Halloween this year are definitely going to happen next year. I want to design collections. I want to launch my October daily class. It's been like 4 years in the making. So I have a lot of plans, but it's going to have to be for 2021. And hopefully by then the world will have some sense of normalcy in terms of this pandemic. So we'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks again for being here with me. You all mean so much to me, and I love you all so much. Bye everyone. Love you.